Okay, here. So sphere clock numbers. Let's open up the slideshow here. We're going to be making a clock out of this, and they need to be about 75 millimeters center. Let's go back and open up a new Tinkercad. Once we have Tinkercad open, 3D design. And so the instructions say here to drag out a sphere. Let's place it in the middle. And I'm going to Control D, duplicate. And now I'm going to hold down, zoom in a bit here. I'm going to hold down Shift as I drag it out minus 75. I can always click on this here and make it minus 75. That makes it easier. Going to duplicate that again. Control D. Hold down Shift to drag it this way, 75. And here we go. So let me just zoom out. There we go. So now I have my three shapes. I'm going to click on, now I'm going to duplicate into a circle. So I'll click on this shape. And I'm going to hold down Shift, and I'm going to click on this shape. Now I'm going to Control D, duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it exactly, what is it, 22? Let me double check here. It says here, 30 degrees of rotation. So let me Control Z, undo that. Control D, duplicate, and rotate 30 degrees. I think I have to be on the outside to do 30. And now I'll continue to click Control D until all my circles are in. Now, it wouldn't work if I had clicked off or if something had happened. You have to go back, Control D, make the move, and then hit Control D again and again to make it work. So here I have my basic clock. Let's go ahead, let's drag some text out here. I'm actually going to just lift it up, drag it over. Now I'm going to zoom in a bit here. I wanted to make this text 12 to make my numbers 12. I'm going to resize it here. And now I'm going to center it with this one using my align tool. And I'm going to click on the ball to center it to the ball. Let's try again. Select both, align, click on the ball, then center it to the ball. And then let's go Shift, right click, pan it, click on just the 12, lift the 12 up. And just the 12, there we go. Lift that 12 up till it's just right there and perfect. So now I'm going to Control duplicate, drag that 12 out there, and I'm going to change it to a 1. Keep doing this till you get all the numbers all the way around, and then it's time to make your hands. So I would probably, you can choose whatever shape you want, but I would probably take like a roof, stretch it up way high, go ahead and rotate it down to this, hit D to get it down, flatten it down. Did I mess up there? Oh, I did. Control Z. Let's rotate that exactly there. D to get it down, flatten it down. Now lift it up and get it into here however you want. So this will be up to you what time you want to make it. But that's one way you can do the hands. Control D. Let's shorten it up and let's rotate this one around a bit to make my other clock, my other hand. There we go. And then my final thing I'm going to do is probably bring out a cylinder, flatten it way down, maybe just 3, Shift, make it huge. And let's sink that down, make way shorter here. You're going to want to align that with, so Shift on the sphere. And then we're going to align it to the middle sphere both ways. I'm also going to change the color of my cylinder. Maybe make it like a gray. Maybe give it a bevel. And some more segments to smooth it out. You can also add some lines, do some cool stuff to make your clock. And when you're done, group it all together as multicolor, and then you're good.